Hello and welcome to Tiny Tales. Thank you for choosing this video. I am checking in from Kerala. All the greenery behind me, nature heals. I'm talking about healing. Today I am going to be talking about how to heal a tech neck, how to make your stiff neck feel better. We all are working from home. We are always pouring into our gadgets, always on our phones, always on our laptops, and we are always in this position. So, what happens is this muscle inevitably gets stiff, and when this neck muscle is stiff, we don't have good days. We feel tired, we feel lethargic, we cannot carry our own body weight. We all drive a lot, we all are on two-wheelers wearing heavy helmets. We definitely need to ease out this neck muscle. Now, I am here to share the simplest, the bestest, the fastest, and the easiest method to ease out a tech neck. Let's start. Sit up straight with your back completely erect, with your neck straight, chin parallel to the ground, and look up and count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look down, count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look left or right. You get a stretch, you feel it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you look left or right. You feel a stretch here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And come back. Then you look down. You take your face, use your nose to draw a circle and slowly rotate your neck and face. And then on the opposite side. Do it slowly and softly to come back. You do this every day, at least twice. You'll see the difference and you will see a better, stronger neck muscle. And if we don't have strong neck muscles, guys, I'm telling you, it can be dangerous. It can even be fatal, because your neck muscle is something which you need to carry your entire body weight. I hope you like this tip. Come back to this channel, Tiny Tales, for more such amazing, fantabulous, small, simple, easy tricks and tips which I myself follow to make my life easy. Share this video with all your friends and come back for more. Thank you for watching. See you soon.